So, mahilig ako sa pag-travel. So, I will give you some tips to buy cheap flight tickets, no? So, ito ang mga natutunan ko kung gusto nyo ng murang tickets, no? Flight tickets. So, hello everyone! Kumusta? So, naapaday ko diri sa, andito pa ako sa Yangon, the biggest city in Myanmar. We were relocated here due to the earthquake in Mandalay. So, kaya andito kami ngayon. No? So, ang iba is sila bakasyon sa Thailand. Yung iba naman andito lang. So, but we were accommodated here. And then pagkatapos nun pumunta silang Thailand. No? So, supposedly I had a flight pero kinakancel ko. So, siguro na lang, no? Later on na lang siguro yung ko. Flight ko, no? So, mahal ngayon ang, mahal ang ticket pa. So, mahilig ako sa pag-travel. So, I will give you some tips to buy cheap flight tickets, no? So, ito ang mga natutunan ko kung gusto nyo ng murang tickets, no? Flight tickets. So, number 1, you book on Tuesday and Wednesday. So, Martes at saka Miyerkules. Doon kayo mag-book, no? Kasi Tuesday and Wednesday are among the best days to buy flight tickets. Kasi most airlines daw usually set up their booking systems on Tuesday at 7 p.m. This is because airlines know that most passengers will only have time to book tickets on weekdays. So, according to sa mga statistics, it is proven talaga that most of us only browse ticket prices on Fridays, Saturdays, or Sundays. Kasi walang pasok, di ba? Walang trabaho. So, usually, iyon ang kuan na nagba-browse tayo, no? So, according to statistics yan, no? Then, pangalawa, book early but not too early. Okay? So, katamtaman lang. So, mag-book ka daw ng tickets at least 21 days in advance of your travel date. Okay? Kasi yung airlines, mostly they will set up their systems to achieve as many ticket sales as possible. Kaya, the system has a certain quota for very cheap tickets. No, katulad halimbawa in the system, no. So na-determine nila na, let's say, Kuala Lumpur ba kaya or to London, only the first 20 passengers will get the lowest price. The next 200 passengers will get a medium price, and the rest may get more expensive. So, yun pala, no? So, book early but not too early. So, in short, the airline system will set tickets ticket prices based on the margin they want, no? So, yun ang, no? Yun ang sabi dito, no? So, pangatlo, suit 9 days. So, ayun nga, no? Try to book tickets to fly on Tuesday or Wednesday. So, according to some studies, yun, mas mura ang ticket. So, kasi most airlines set these 2 days as less busy days for booking systems. And airports are also usually less busy on the 2 days compared to Fridays and Sundays, when the booking system and airports become very busy. So, yun ang pangatlo, no? So, pang-apat, look for the best deal for international flights. So, kung gusto mo ng, mahilig ka sa mga international flights, no? So, most airlines kasi daw will offer the best deal about 11 to 12 weeks in advance for international flights. So, you need to regularly check ticket prices during this period. Okay? So, panglima, choose to land at smaller airports. Kasi mas cheaper siya kung doon ka sa mga maliliit na airports. So, you can try this technique, no? So, and try to compare. Okay? So, and then pang-anim is to clear your cookies. So, i-clear mo lahat kasi ang pag-clear ng cookies sa iyong laptops or smartphones or PCs, it might be, so, kasi, if you have visited the airline's website 30 days before, no, so, kailangan i-clear mo ang cookies mo. Bakit? Because through these cookies, the airline's booking system will assume that you have visited their website repeatedly. No? So, kaya i-clear mo ang mga cookies mo. No? Therefore, the booking system will set the same price even if you have visited the website multiple times. So, you can search no, kung paano i-clear yung cookies ninyo. Okay? And sometimes the price may even increase. So, practice the habit of clearing your cookies on your internet browser. If you don't know how to delete them, so you can Google it kung paano i-clear ang cookies, no? That's quite easy. Okay? Then pang-pito, you compare the prices. Wag tamad, no? So, you have to compare the prices. Okay? So, don't focus only on one website. So, you have to browse. And then you will be surprised. Because sometimes you will find cheaper ticket prices from the same airline. Okay? So, what are the mga search engines na pwede mong gagamitin? Andun yung Skyscanner, Cheap Flights, Momondo, Kayak, Google Flight, It's a Software, at marami pang iba. No? So, you can browse everything and try to compare. Okay? So, ito lang po ang mga tips, no, na maibibigay ko na natutunan ko rin. At sana'y makatulong sa inyo. Okay? So, maraming salamat po. I hope to see you again next time.